In this video, we'll take a quick look at the Olfa 9070 80mm UltraSharp black heavyweight snap-off blade. I'm using these blades on my Olfa L2 and these are my favorites. They are sharp but also very durable. I don't change them often. Here I'll just demonstrate on a piece of cardboard. This should be very easy just to show you how sharp it is. And by the way, this specific blade has been used for more than a month daily and it's still very sharp, still very able to produce a very good cut. I've also used it to cut wallpaper and again, no problem at all for this kind of job. In the pack, there is 10 different blades. This should be enough for a while. You open it here and yeah, these are the blades. They're black. I don't know if this changed anything on the durability or anything, but I think they work as well, or as I said, even better than other ones. After all, they're made in Japan and I definitely recommend them.